Yo, what's going on, y'all? What's going on? I have to make sure we're recording so y'all can hear this. Aha. Listen, y'all. It's Netflix time. It's date night time. It's relaxing time. It's snack time. And I don't know how many times I gotta tell y'all. I got the snacks for y'all. So we're just gonna drink all a little bit of water right now because we're gonna put a lot of calories into our bodies, y'all. This is all for you. This is all for y'all. Listen, y'all. I told y'all before we went on vacation, right? So we went on vacation, and we drove through some cities out here in Texas. And these cities out here in Texas, y'all, they got some stuff that was very peculiar. And the reason why it was peculiar, because I've never seen it before. So anything I've never seen before is peculiar. You understand what I'm saying? All right, let's move on then. We're gonna do some Lay's for y'all. Some Lay's chips. Reason why I know it's Lay's because it looked like the Lay's symbol. That's the only way I know. So we got the garlic bread flavor Lay's, y'all. Ooh. We got a cucumber flavor Lay's, y'all. And I believe all of this stuff is Malaysia, which is another form of Asia, but it's Malaysia. It's not the Asia, Malaysia. It's my cousin Malaysia. So we got some prick payo cheese. And that looks a little hot. I see them peppers. I see the peppers. So this might be a little bit hot, y'all. Ooh. And then we got some mala barbecue. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. See, look. You see the Lay's? This is a symbol, man. We know that that's Lay's by that. Oh, this might be hot, too. I see the peppers on the bottom. Y'all see that peppers on the bottom? Boom. Okay. And then we have extra barbecue. Look at that. Extra barbecue. And I know these are not Lay's. These are Cheetos. Reason why I know it's Cheetos, because it says Cheetos. This one is chicken flavor. How I know the chicken flavor? Because there's a little chicken on the bottom. You see a little chicken on the bottom? Oh my goodness. And this Cheetos here is steak and rosemary flavor. You want to know how I know, right? Steak and rosemary on the bottom, y'all. Y'all see that? Yum, 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 yum. I want to get into these Cheetos first. And then we're going to get into the Lay's, y'all. Because we got a lot of stuff to cover. And y'all don't stay with me all the time. So, let's dig in, y'all. Oh, we got to do a little smell test first. I don't smell rosemary. Oh, I don't know what I smell. I don't even smell steak. So there's a flavor to it. I'm just not sure the flavor. I don't know. Maybe it's not steak flavor then. I don't know. I'm gonna give this a 3. I mean, it's not bad, but I can't pinpoint what I'm tasting. And I don't know what I should be tasting. All right. Weird. Go the other Cheetos. Gotta do a little smell test, y'all. Let's shake it up. Let's shake it up. Let's shake it up. Let's smell now. Well, let's taste now. This has a weird taste. These do have a little weird taste to it. I don't know if it's chicken though. If I'm tasting chicken. We're done with that, y'all. It's different, but I don't think I will buy it again. If I had the chance to buy it, I don't think I'll buy it again. So we're just gonna go to the Lay's now. Hold on. We gotta get that taste out of my mouth real quick. Heck is that? I mean, it has a chicken on the flavor. It has a chicken on the package, so you would think it's chicken. It's steak on the package, so you think it was steak. I don't know. Oh, this is the Mala barbecue, the one that looked like it's hot. Oh, has a strong smell to it. It's hot. Told y'all it was gonna be hot. I knew it. Freaking knew it. But it has a good flavor to it, though. It does. Look like a regular chip, you know, a little bit more reddish than usual. Flavor's there. Flavor's there, no doubt. I'll give this about a 7. It's hot. I'll give this about a 7. Flavor's there. Let's go with the extra barbecue. Okay. Hold on a second. Okay. Extra barbecue is good. It's very subtle. Just like barbecue chips. Not overpowering. They know it's there. Like you know it's there. I'll give these about an 8. Nah, I give about a 9. I'll give these about a 9. I'm with it. Oh, cucumber. I love cucumber stuff, y'all. I just don't like pickled cucumbers, which is actually pickles. We're gonna go with the smell test, y'all, because we know cucumbers don't really have a smell to it. Actually, cucumbers do have a smell, and so do these chips. Damn, they smell just like cucumbers. It's like Asian cucumbers. And I know you're asking, like, where does the Asian cucumber smell like? I don't know. Someone from Asia who has cucumbers in the house. Go smell them. These are not ruffles, y'all. These are just regular old schmegga lays. Let's try this out, y'all. Let's try another one, y'all. Let's try another one, y'all. All right, last one. We're gonna try this last one. And this one is the one with the less ingredients in it. The less ingredients. Potato, vegetable oil, cucumber flavor seasoning. That's it. That's it. Contains soybean, wheat, and milk. But literally, that's all the flavor. That's all the ingredients. That's what? Potato, vegetable oil, cucumber flavor seasoning. Three things. But the thing about this one here is that it tastes sweet. It's like a sweet cucumber. I really don't like that. Hold on a second. Yeah. It tastes sweet. It's like somebody putting sugar on a cucumber before you eat it. I know people be doing some weird things. I know y'all be doing that too. Y'all be doing some weird things. All right. Let's go with the prick pie cheese. That's what it says. I'm not being racist. It says that. It says a lot of stuff. I can't read that though. It's another language, y'all. Okay. So it's not as hot as I would thought it would have been, and I don't even taste hotness. Okay, I taste a little bit now. The aftertaste. Aftertaste gives you a bam. Pretty good though. I'm still trying to figure out what it tastes like though. I haven't figured it out. I'm almost eating half of the bag. I can't figure it out. I don't know, but this is good though. I would get these again. Oh, the cucumber ones, I'll get like a 3 out of 10. I wasn't a big fan of those. I'm sorry. Dude, I give it 9 out of 10. Y'all, I can't pinpoint the flavor. I can't tell y'all what it tastes like. It just tastes good. It tastes good. It's good. And this is garlic bread flavor. And these are the Ruffles. Oh, those were just a plain old Lay's. Like Lay's, how it looks. Like plain Lay's, how it looks. You know how plain Lay's, how plain Lay's looks? That's how those look. And so this is the garlic bread flavor. Let's try this out, y'all. It's like, no, you had enough, Batman. Let me in. All right. We gotta go with the smell, y'all. Yeah, you do smell garlic. Now I know what else I smell. I smell something else. All right, so the smell kind of like deceives you. I think it's because it's been in the bag for so long. Um, like I would have thought it would have had more of a garlicky type of taste. That's what I was hoping for. It doesn't have that, which is really disappointing. I mean, the aftertaste you could hint that it has some garlic to it. Um, Me, if I was to change it, I'll put more garlic flavor. So I'll give it a 7 out of 10 because I would want more garlic flavor onto the chips. I mean, it's good. I would definitely get it again. Yeah, not those cucumber chips though, but these I would definitely get it again. But like I said, I would want more of a garlic flavor than anything else. Um, I don't know, but these were good though. Uh, the garlic bread flavor. So I think the best ones that I liked was this one, the garlic bread. This pie cheese one. I like that, and the extra barbecue. Yeah, that extra barbecue that was pretty good too. And I'm not really a barbecue chips type of person, but I'll roll with that. I'll definitely roll with that, y'all. So if you ever in near Asian market, or know an Asian market nearby, or think you know Asian market nearby, go on over there, check them out, see what type of snacks they have, see what type of funky snacks they have, and you let me know. Like, hey, I saw something that was looking pretty cool. Why don't you try this and let me know? All right, I'll do it. Send me some money and I'll do it. But anyway, I'll do it for y'all. No problem. I'll do it for y'all. But yeah, like I said, if you're ever in the Asian market, try some of this stuff. You might like it. I don't know. And those Kit Kats were good too. You might like those too. So definitely try it out. I'm gonna go brush my teeth right now and go check out what my diabetes looks like. I'll see y'all later. I'll see y'all next time. Ooh.